Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you the Shintop 328 feet garden plant twist tie. I got this item recently to have on hand whenever I need to twist tie things. So let's get this all opened up and let me show you what it looks like. This twist tie dispenser is well designed and it is made of high quality material. I love that I have 328 feet of these twisty ties, making it possible to use on all kinds of different things. I can use it to twist tie different plants like tomato plants, cucumber plants, rose bushes, or even for other purposes whenever we need to secure things together. The product also comes with a dispenser that you can easily mount on a wall or a workbench, making it easy to access whenever we need it. If you are in the market for an easy and convenient to use roll of twisty tie with a dispenser, you won't want to miss out on this.